Investigation data analysis, blood pressure. In both the graphs above, you can see blood pressure of client 1 and 2 during the multi-stage fitness test and the Wingate test. These results show that firstly, for the multi-stage fitness test, the resting/pre-test measurement is already much higher than would be expected. This is because of something known as anticipatory raise, where your body will increase blood pressure due to the fact it knows it is about to begin exercise, and is therefore preparing your body for this eventuality. As well as this, anticipatory raise can also be down to nerves and anxiety when performing one of these tests in front of a crowd, which both these clients were. We can see at the beginning of the test, the results appear to decrease, which is unusual and unexpected. However, this could be down to a number of things, such as a misreading or dysfunctioning equipment. However, as the test continues through the stages, we can see a gradual increase in blood pressure, which is what we would expect to see during this exercise, as it is beginning to become more intense throughout all the stages. This means that the body is demanding more oxygenated blood as it is working aerobically, and therefore blood pressure will increase as more blood has to be pumped around the body to the working muscles during the multi-stage fitness test. The reason this systolic reading is higher is due to the fact the reading which represents the blood, this reading represents the blood being squeezed and pushed around the body and ejected out the heart. Therefore shows in both these graphs why the reading for systolic value is greater than diastolic. As you can see here in the graphs, the systolic value is always higher. When blood pressure increases, the body's making things such as arteries wider in order to do this. This is to make sure all the working muscles are supplied with oxygenated blood, as well as to cool down the body and also send some blood to the surface of the skin in order to cool down the body and allow it to work best.